I think there's no doubt that being behind Michael was going to be a problem, as much as David was able to get away. But I managed to pass Michael, and I don't know what happened with David, but I'm really delighted. 10 Grand Prix victories. It's great to break into double figures, and it just gets better. And it's great also to break your duck for the 95 season.
Well, once you got the lead, you seemed to have the measure of the Ferrari, but was there any stage ever that you were worried by Jean's presence?
Oh, certainly, the whole way. I couldn't afford to let up or get caught out in traffic. It was possible to lose 3-4 seconds in traffic, and there was never more than about 10 seconds gap between us, so he was always a threat.
Honestly, today my biggest problem was at the first when I spun, and I was very lucky to have the red flag and to have a chance to start again. But I finished second today just because my car was very good. We improved a lot, and I don't want to complain at all about my car because it's the first time I'm driving a car so competitive. Because the Williams at this moment, it's a very strong team, and we are not far, and I think we are very happy.
We need to analyze what's going on, but definitely I had some problems in the beginning. The tires, in my feeling, didn't work at all. It seemed to be when I went on a bit of sand going on, then I never was able to clear up the tires. But it was different between 4 sets of tires. I had 4 sets of tires. The first one wasn't working at all. The second one was a bit more normal. The third one was again very, very bad. I mean, my lap times were varying 3-4 seconds. I never had this. And then just putting at the end a new set of tire on which hadn't run at all, I suddenly did the quickest lap in the whole race, I believe, and were very competitive.